Hi, and welcome to Williamsport PA Apartments, where we have premium quality 2-bedroom apartments for rent. Today we're visiting a fully remodeled 2-bedroom unit at 938 Sheridan Street. As we enter the front door of this 750 square foot second floor apartment, we are welcomed into the freshly carpeted spacious living room and dining room area. You've got a nice sliding glass door with a walkout balcony here that lets in a lot of natural light. Next, let's move through the dining area into the galley kitchen. This kitchen has been completely refinished. New appliances, new luxury vinyl tile flooring, countertops, cabinets. There's even a dishwasher and a microwave included in this unit. It has a storage pantry as well. Making our way down the hall, we come to the fully renovated bathroom. This room features a new vanity and countertop, mirrored medicine cabinet, and modern lighting, as well as a new tub and surround, toilet, and flooring. A big plus in this apartment is the washer and dryer that are included in your own space. No more dragging your clothes to the laundry room or the laundromat. And here's your hall closet for linens and additional storage. This is the 155 square foot primary bedroom that includes a large bifold closet. And to finish off our virtual tour, we have the 100 square foot secondary bedroom that we like to imagine would be the perfect home office or hobby room. This room also has a closet for additional storage space. Thanks so much for stopping by for a virtual tour. If you'd like to join our community, please visit us at williamsportpaapartments.com or view the information in the description box below. Please hit the like button and subscribe to get notified when new tour videos are posted. We hope you choose our apartments to be your new home.